Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Chapter 13, The Story of Paper Part 2. Let me remind you the name of the book. It's New Radiant Readers. Clear? Let's start. All plant materials used in the making of paper contain very fine hair-like fibers. It is the work of paper maker to separate the fibers from the unwanted materials and to press them together in a thin knotted web, which we know as a sheet of paper. Clear? It is the work of paper maker. Okay, what they do? They separate the fibers from the unwanted materials. Formerly, paper making was done entirely by hand. Clear? Formerly, paper making was done entirely by hands. Except for a few simple tools, rags were soaked and then pounded by a fine pulp with heavy hammers. Okay, rags means old clothes. Okay, rags were soaked. Rags mean either you can tell old clothes or you can also tell torn cloths. Okay, a thin layer of watery pulp was picked up in a very fine sieve, and when a sheet was formed, it was pressed firmly, allowed to dry, and finally polished by rubbing. Okay, finally it was polished by rubbing. Okay, although paper for special purpose is still made by hand. Paper for special purpose is still made by hand. Okay, most of the paper of our newspaper, books and magazine is now made by machinery. Clear? Most of the paper of our newspaper, books and magazine is now made by machinery. Okay, many of the machines are very complicated. Still we shall find it interesting to pay a short visit to a paper mill. Okay, many of the machines are very complicated. Still we should go to a paper mill. Okay, to see how papers are made today. Clear? The mill lies not in a city but in a quiet valley. Now where does the mill lie? Not in a city but in a quiet valley. Okay, through which flow a rippling stream. Upon the stream, the mill depends for its working. For paper making requires a plentiful supply of good water. Okay, now paper making requires a plentiful supply of good water. Clear? In days gone by, too, the stream was used to supply power for driving the mill. But today, tall chimneys, humming, electrical machinery and shunting trains show that water paper is no longer needed as driving force. Okay, water power is now no longer needed as a driving force. Okay, near the entrance to the mill is a large loft stacked with dry dusty bales of esparto grass. Okay, what is that? Esparto grass. Okay, which at first sight looks like hay. The bales are torn to pieces and cleaned off dust, roots and other impurities. Okay, now look, these bales are torn and cleaned off. Okay, cleaned off dust, roots and other impurities. Clear? By the knife of a great machine. Clear? By the knife of a great machine bearing the peaceful name of willow. Grass then passes to tremendous digesters or boilers. Okay, where does the grass pass then? It passes to tremendous digesters or boilers. By the action of steam and chemicals, it is changed to a wet, stringy pulp. Clear? Gradually, as the pulp passes from machine to machine, it becomes finer and finer. Okay, now what happened? Gradually, as the pulp passes from machine to machine, it becomes very fine. Okay, as the pulp passes from machine to machine, it becomes finer. Clear? Now, at last, after almost endless preparation, pulp is mixed with water. Okay, at last the pulp is mixed with water. Clear? To make it flow easily and evenly. Why? To make it flow easily and evenly. Clear? Then it is fed through a row of fine stills onto the wide moving wires woven belt of the paper making machine. Clear? Swiftly the layer of the mixture is carried along. Okay, next what happened? Swiftly the layer of the mixture is carried along. Okay, the machine by the belt. Water drains off as it goes and leaves a thin film of paper. Okay, water drives off as it goes and leaves a thin film of paper. Paper passes beneath a roll bearing the stylish name of dandy. Okay, it gets the stylish name of dandy which leaves upon it pattern of watermark. We should have to watch for many days. Now all these things, we should have to watch for many days. Okay, and indeed we should have to visit many mills. Okay, clear? We should have to visit many mills if we wish to see different kind of paper being made. We might see paper being coated with china clay. Okay, now papers are being coated with china clay. Clear? to give art paper, such as is used for many colored pictures, or we might see it being pressed between very heavy rollers to give a specially smooth surface. Okay, such is the process of paper making. Okay, it is the process of paper making. Okay, and I am ending this video here. In my next video, I will bring something new. Until then, goodbye.